taba. But yeah, it's already almost 10 and magbe-breakfast pa lang ako and mag-isa ko lang. Nasa school na si Zion and si Dwayne naman pumunta sa KK kasi kahapon yung appointment ko, yung aking check-up, yung I think doctor's fee and yung aking vaccination is pwedeng bayaran ng Medisave. Kaso kailangan ng IC and naiwan ko yung IC ko. Buti na lang yung yung sa counter si ate, Filipina siya eh. Sabi niya, ibalik nyo na lang yung IC bukas, sabi niya. So, ngayon pumunta si Dwayne sa KK para ibigay yung IC ko. Ifo-photocopy lang naman nila yon. So, yun. So, kahapon ang binayadan lang namin binayadan namin through nets is yung lang yung aking vitamins. So, yeah, I think yun lang. And yeah, so now I'm going to have my breakfast. Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Ay, nga pala, ang dami kong labahan na naman, nagsalang na ulit ako. But, yung dalawang side ng ng bibig ko dito, nagda-dry, ang sakit na naman. Ay, nako. Walang katapusang dry lips talaga. So, here's my breakfast. Dahil malaki pa rin si baby, yung sugar ko parang hindi na normal daw, sabi ni doctor. So, I think effective yung pagbabawas ko ng mga intake ko ng sugary food and drinks. Pero si baby, pa rin, quite big pa rin. So, I'm trying to lessen the carbs. Isang, whole meal bread. And then, dahil 8 months na tayo, umpisan ko na mag-take ng dates every day. Kasi daw, makakatulong for labor. And dahil walang prutas, nagbukas na lang ako ng canned peach. Hindi ko ubusin yan. Lang, siguro mga 3. Ganon. And then, of course, my coffee. So, yun. Kain tayo.
Okay, we are at school. So the bro with his train in the train box. Are you happy, bro? Okay, let's show it to teacher, alright? So the mission today is actually boy to school, settle, get this one here done. Now I'll go find some breakfast. Breakfast followed by heading to the library to return the library books. I think it's overdue by a day. Yeah, so that should be heading to the Sengkang one, easier. Then go pick the boy. Yeah, so it's a bit of a rush. 10 o'clock. The boy finishes at 12, so I should have enough time, I hope. So, okay. What did I buy? Kiwi, grapes, pao, then some vegetables for tonight, spinach, broccoli, to see what the wife wants to cook. Then I'll go get the chicken from Prime, and I think tomatoes and sayote. Then that will be done. Still hungry, haven't catch a meal yet. So yeah, later I'll just grab a small bite, then just nice can pick the boy. So alright, rush a little bit more.
Hello! Bagong bagong background. Andito ako ngayon sa spare room. Ayan, yung spare room na nakahiwalay. Bali yan yung main door namin, and then yung nakahiwalay dito, nasa likod ng TV. Para siyang guest room, ganun siguro, kaya hiwalay siya dun sa dalawang room namin. But yeah, nabibingin na naman ako, kaya hirap na naman ako magsalita. But yep, nagsusort na ako ng mga damit ni baby. So, ang tag doon, ilang araw na to. Siguro, pangatlong installment na pabalik-balik ako dito sa room para mag-sort kasi ang dami na overwhelm ako. So inaano ko lang muna, inuunti-unti ko at saka sinusort ko siya by months. So tapos ko na yung wait lang, pakita year and by months muna, and then at least paglalabhan madali na siyang hanapin and madali na rin siyang isusort. So, yun. Hinihingal ako. And, yeah. Grabe ang daming nang nagawa ni Dwayne from the moment he wakes up until now. So, yun. Buti na lang talaga he, doing a lot of errands kasi hindi ko kaya. Baka mahimatay ako pag ako. So, yun. Thank you, Mister, for doing all the morning errands. And, yeah, I think, hindi ko na sasabihin ko na yung mga ginawa niya kasi I think nag-vlog siya. So, isisingit ko na lang somewhere here. And, yeah, nandito siya kanina. Kumain lang siya ng breakfast. Bumili siya ng carrot cake. Kinain niya yun for breakfast. Hindi ko na siya na-vlog kasi nag-charge ako. And then, ngayon, sinusundo na niya si Zion. And umuulan. So, I think magti-train sila. Malamang pala magti-train sila kasi hindi pala shelter yung daanan.
Alright, pop the boy. Hey, say hi. Okay, so we fight. Alright, so I got the noodles for the wife. So all done. That is wifey's. That's wifey's kway teow soup. Boy is having rice, so I'll take from both of them later. So I won't be so full. So, oh yeah, grumpy. He's grumpy and playing with umbrella. So all right.
Somebody's home. And I'm not yet done. Boo! Come here.
I found a package.
Oh, you have a package?
Yes.
I think that's for you.
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, here. Stay here. Don't go there. There's a lot of mess there. How's school, baby? Good? Did you show teacher your project?
Yes.
What did teacher say?
It's good.
It's good? Come on, let's open your package first. Your parcel. Why did teacher give you a star?
Because I'm good at singing.
What did you sing?
I sing
Look at mommy.
Rain is falling down.
Rain is falling down. Can you sing it for mommy too?
Rain is falling down.
Here.
Rain
Pinili ko to for him. Na, see?
is falling.
You know what is this?
A dinosaur.
Well, you know what's inside?
Oh,
It's
yes.
a poncho.
A poncho. What's a poncho?
A raincoat.
It's a raincoat.
Yeah. But it's no more rain, so you cannot use it. But it's like this, you see? Come here. See that? So when mommy fetch you from school and it's raining, I'll put this and then like that. See?
I don't love it.
You don't love it, but it's so cute. Ayaw niya.
It's too big.
No, it's supposed to be like that. No, put down your hand. Yes, like that. See, you're so cute.
The hand can put out some more.
Where?
No?
No, this is the. Put down your hands. Yeah,
I don't love this.
it's pretty.
It's not raining today.
Yes, we will wear it when it's raining, right? Oh, yung ano po yung ano. Oh, don't come here, baby. All the mess is here. Oh, what's that?
My activities.
Oh, you have. Oh, teacher give you the activities from last year.
Ah, the sipon. Slowly. Can jump some more.
Yan, nanood ako ng vlog ni Mel. Finally, tapos na ako. So, one more round up. So, this is newborn. Ano yan? Ito yung mittens and booties. And then yung mga swaddle, ring sling, mga churba-churba, andyan lahat. And then, 3 to 6 months. 6 to 12 months. 12 to 18 months. And then, 18 to 3, I think. Or something, basta. So, yung mga iba dyan, feeling ko meron pa sa storeroom. Pero, matagal pa naman namin yung kakailanganin. So, ipapak ko muna dito sa malaking box na to. Pagsasamahin ko na lang kasi parang halos magka-same size lang yan. So, yup. So, ready na. Ito, puro bib to. Isang malaking plastic na bib. And then, laglabas ako ng konting damit na lalabhan for Z. Yung kakasya na sa kanya. So, yan. I'm done sa wakas. Pero sorting pa lang yan. Marami pa akong dapat gawin. Lalabhan pa yan. Next month ko na yan start labhan. And then, what else? So, yun. Si Dwayne na yung pagpapakin ko dito sa box. Kasi, masyadong mas magaling siyang mag-compress. So, yun. Kakain na ako ng lunch. Gutom na ako. Yan. My helper is here. Ito yung need to write the age, daddy. I think it's the smaller one. And then yun, yung isang box doon, ilalagay niya daw doon. Hindi, bala ko kasing pag-isahin sa isang box, pero yeah, that one is the whole thing. Pero sabi niya paghiwalay na lang para hindi nakakaano sa age. Have you eaten?
Yes.
What are you watching?
Frozen.
Frozen movie?
Yes.
Yeah, then I can't help you. I can't get to watch the Frozen movie again.
Grabe ka naman. It's not like you're gonna help me for so long. Just this while only, ma.
I'm missing all the.
How come there's a space there in between?
I don't. You have space one?
Hello, buhaghag yung buhok ko kasi nakahiga ako kanina. Pinatulog ko si Zayn. Kanina pa yan tulog. Mga siguro 2:30, alas 3 na. Siguro mga 2:30, something like that. And then, habang kasi matutulog lang yun pag nakahiga ka din. Kahit na hindi mo siya pinapansin, basta may nakikita niya, nakahiga ka lang sa tabi niya, makakatulog siya mag-isa. So, yun. And then, what's it? Habang nakahiga ako doon, nag-upload ako ng vlog namin kahapon. And then, nag-upload ako ng mga pictures ni Zion sa Instagram niya. Ginawan ko yun kasi ng Instagram niya dati. Ang gusto ko sana is, kung ano yung ginawa namin the day itself, i-upload ko rin siya that day. Kaya parang, yun. Kung ano yung ginawa namin today din yung upload. Parang, naaliw kasi ako dun sa mga pa-throwback ni Time Hop at saka ni Facebook. So, gusto ko siyang makita next year. Kaso, fail. Laging delayed yung upload ko. Pero, I'll try to upload na yung the day itself na. So, yun. And, ano pa ba? Yun, magluluto muna ako ng aming dinner ni Z habang tulog pa siya. Hindi ko alam kung magbabaon ba si Dwayne or what. Hindi naman siya nagbanggit. And then, bala ko sanang vacuum ng bahay. Pero, hindi ko magagawa yun kung tulog si Zion. So, let's see. Isasalang ko pala yung isang carpet namin. Kasi isang carpet namin from IKEA, pwede siyang ilabhan dyan sa washing namin. So, lalaban ko yung carpet dun sa washing. And then, pagkatas nun, gagamitin ko yung nabili kong powder from Dyson na pwedeng linisin yung washing. parang washing machine cleaner. Yun ba yun? Basta mamaya pakita ko sa siya. Ayan na siya. Wala ka. Alala. Nagwawala siya. Alala. Kanervyos. So, ayan. Tapos na yung nilalaban kong ang tawag doon? Carpet dun sa washing. So, lalaban ko, ano ba yan? Gagamitin ko to para dun sa washing naman. Dinisin natin yung washing. Para sa to, yung sa full load. Pero nakita ko dun sa Daiso group na pwede rin daw to sa ganyan. Sa front load. So, let's try. Hello! It's 9:40 na. Hi, na.
Hi, Mommy.
Do you still have slip on?
Yes,
How come?
because I didn't drink so many milks.
Because you didn't drink lots of water. Ang tawag doon, nabisi na ako kanina pagkatapos kong kumain nung tinola kasi 'di ba nahihilo ako. Kumain ako ng tinola and then nagpahinga ako ng konti and then naligo na rin ako. Tapos si Zion nanood siya ng movie. What movie did you watch just now? Minion. Despicable 2. And ang tawag doon,
And I'm watching Baby Boss now.
yes. Gusto niya manood ng Baby Boss. And ang tawag doon, pinakain ko na rin siya, kumain na siya. Ako hindi na ako kumain ng dinner after nung tinola. Kasi, yun nga, ayoko mag-rice. Parang inaano ko talaga yung size ni baby kasi 2 weeks
It's
ahead yung
Boss
size niya. So,
Baby.
baka ma-CS ako nang wala sa oras.
It says Boss Baby.
O, The Boss Baby. Pinapanood niyang Baby Boss yung series, hindi yung
Boss
movie.
Baby.
Ay, yung Boss Baby. And then, yung vaccination pala, yung kahapon, yung sa whooping cough. Grabe, hanggang ngayon ang comfortable pa rin siya. Pag tinataas ko siya, masakit. Kanina naliligo ako, naiinda ko yung sakit. Hindi ko ina-expect na ganito siya katagal na iindahin. Hanggang bukas pa ata to. Ano pa ba? Oh, yung washing machine pala. In fairness, talagang effective yung pang cleaner nung tub. Ang amoy fresh yung washing ko ngayon. Parang gagawin ko yun siguro every 3 months. Maano mo yung parang nalinisan talaga. Pero ang tagal niyang nilinis. Bago umalis si Dwayne to work, papuntang work, na yun.
Baby
Alas 5 yun.
Boss.
Tapos, nag-stop siya around
The Boss Baby
8 na.
and business.
Or 7. Hindi, mag-8 na. Ang tagal. Pero, yun nga, in fairness, parang feeling ko ang linis-linis nung drum nung washing ko. So, magandang maglaba bukas.
Do that one must be on the other side. The baby must be on the other side, and the boss must be on the other side.
Oh, is supposed to be Baby Boss? Or is it supposed to be Boss Baby? I think the movie is Baby Boss. And then this one, because it's a series, they put Boss Baby. What do you think?
That one talks like Baby Boss.
Okay, let's say good night na. Good night.
Thank you for watching. Bye.